Welcome to your group retirement program offered by TvH Financial and Manulife. First, we'll start with the importance of planning for retirement. Then, to get you ready for enrollment, you'll discover the details of your group program, learn how to choose investments that suit you, and what you need to do to join your program. Finally, we'll finish with the services and support that you have available from Manulife once you're a member. Why is planning for retirement so important? Everyone needs to make sure that they're saving enough money for life after work. When it comes to saving for retirement, time is money. The sooner you start, the easier it'll be to reach your retirement goal. For example, if you start saving in your mid-20s, you may only need to put away about 7% of your pre-retirement income each year because you have time working for you. However, if you wait until you're in your 30s to start saving, you might have to increase your savings to approximately 12% of your income because you don't have as much time. While it's never too late to save for retirement, starting in your 40s or 50s can be more difficult, as more of your income will need to be directed to your savings. Thanks to this program, saving is easier. Do you know how much retirement income you will need to live comfortably? Some research suggests that you will need approximately 50% to 70% of your pre-retirement income to maintain your present lifestyle in retirement. But this is only a guideline, as the amount you need depends on many different factors. So what are the main sources of your income? The first source of retirement income comes from two main government programs, the Canada Pension Plan, CPP, and Old Age Security, OAS. The numbers you see on the slide are the maximum monthly amounts for someone who is 65 today. The amount you'll get will depend on a number of factors. If you would like to know how much you might receive, you should contact Service Canada. The second source comes from personal savings. They include things such as personal registered retirement savings plan, tax-free savings accounts, other investments and assets. The third, and possibly the most important source, comes from your company group retirement program. As an employee, you have access to an employer-sponsored retirement program in order to help you retire with greater financial security, to which many Canadians don't have access. It'll take all three of these sources working together to help you achieve your retirement goals. Being part of a group plan provides you with an advantage in your management fees. Those fees are generally lower than the fees you pay on similar investments you would pay as an individual at your bank. Why? Because they're negotiated not just based on your account balance, but based on all the accounts collectively within the plan. Lower fees mean more money in your pocket. As you see from the example shown, these lower fees have an impact on your portfolio's value of time. The other interesting thing to note is that there are many fees that don't exist within the group plan, such as trading fees, back-end loads, and deferred sales charges. Now, let's look at the advantages of joining your group plan. Let's talk about the benefits of your program. Your employer's contributions enhance your retirement savings. Pay yourself first. Save consistently. Enjoy immediate tax benefits. Benefit from competitive investment fees. Consolidate your savings. Get expert advice from a Manulife advisor to help you plan. To help you realize your retirement goals, you need to grow your savings by investing. It's important to choose appropriate investments. When it comes to choosing your investments, your age may determine the amount of risk you're comfortable with. Typically, the closer you are to retirement, the more conservative should be your investments. Investing comes with certain risks. Within your plan, you have access to market-related funds whose value will fluctuate as markets move both up and down. Some of those investments will fluctuate more than others, which is why you should choose investments in line with your objectives. There are two main benefits to investing in a target date fund. The first is that the funds are well diversified. Whichever target date fund you select, you can feel confident that it contains a mix of stocks and bonds that are picked by professionals. The second main benefit of target date funds is that they're simple to use. After you select a fund, it's proactively managed throughout your career and straight through retirement, even if you do nothing. These funds are available in 5-year increments. Simply pick the fund closest to when you wish to access your money, for example, the year you plan to retire. Target date funds will take more risks in the early years and get more conservative as you get closer to your target date. Choose the second option to discover your investor style. Answer these questions to find out your investor type. After you've completed the investor strategy worksheet, you will fall into one of 5 investor profiles. If you're a conservative investor, risk's not for you. Protecting your money is what matters most. Maybe you're close to taking it out or just feeling very cautious. If you're a moderate investor, risk makes you nervous. Protecting your money matters a lot, but you're willing to accept some amount of risk to grow your money. Balanced investors want a mix of income and growth with their investments. If you're a growth investor, you're okay with risk. Growth is your main focus, and you're willing to accept a significant amount of risk as you may have a longer time horizon to allow you to recover in any downtimes. And finally, if you're an aggressive investor, risk doesn't worry you. Maximum growth opportunity is what is most important. And you've got plenty of time before you need it. Asset allocation funds are well-diversified portfolios of equity and fixed income funds. There are 5 asset allocation portfolios, one for each profile. Similar to target date funds, you only pick one, but they're based on your investor style rather than time horizon. Asset allocation funds are rebalanced periodically. Manulife AA funds rebalanced quarterly to keep in line with the fund's objective. Now let's talk about how you can do it yourself. This option is best for investors who like to actively manage their investments. Based on your investor style, find the sample portfolio that matches your investor profile. You can use the sample portfolios as a guideline to help you choose individual funds. When you do it yourself, you need to periodically go into your account and review your investments. Let's now see how you can join the plan. Sign up online. Go to the Future Step Member Center and click Join Now. Enter the access code from your flyer, select your investments, and set a beneficiary. You can do all of this on your mobile device. Your enrollment flyer has all the details you need. Welcome to your Member Onboarding Center. It's a site where you can learn and enroll in your group savings plan. Accessible on all devices and meets AODA standards. It's crucial to name a beneficiary. Without one, your assets might end up in your estate or even go to your creditors rather than to your loved ones. Now, let's look at your online account. After registering for access to the secure site, sign into your online account at manulife.ca/grow using your email address and password. You'll see this screen, which provides a variety of helpful information about your account. Account balance. Your current account balance will be displayed for all the plans you are enrolled in. Estimated annual retirement income. After you've set a retirement goal, the graph will indicate your estimated annual retirement income compared to your goal and will show if you're on track to achieve your goal. You will also find the Message Center and the Learning Center on the homepage. Message Center. The Message Center contains important messages and updates regarding your account. Learning Center. The Learning Center features useful tools and resources to help make financial planning a positive experience. These tools are free and exclusively available to you as a member of your group program. Manulife Mobile makes it simple to track your retirement savings. Start by registering for online access through this app. Check your account balance, recent transactions, and a summary of your contributions. Keep an eye on your savings from your mobile device. This app gives you easy access to your group retirement details anytime, anywhere. You're already on your phone, so let Manulife Mobile help you focus on your financial future. It's free, convenient, and easy to use. Visit the Apple App Store or Google Play, download Manulife Mobile today, and stay connected to your future. Let's take a look at some of the resources Manulife provides. As a member of your group plan, you have access to many resources from Manulife. If you want to track your progress to achieving an income goal, try the retirement calculator from your secured online account. We also offer basic investment videos at manulife.ca/investment basics or from your online account. Our financial wellness assessment tool in your online account provides you with a holistic look at your financial well-being. We also offer generic webinars of 30 minutes in length. Register for those topics of interest by going to manulife.ca/webinars. Would you like to learn more about certain topics that we may or may not have covered today? Join Manulife's webinar series. Our 30-minute live learning sessions give you simple tips and ideas to help you and your family make healthy financial decisions and feel better about money. Offered throughout the week, including some evenings and weekends, choose the category, topic, date, and time that work best for you. Then click the link to sign up. Check out our most recent offerings at manulife.ca/webinars. If you need help with your account, contact Manulife at 888-727-7766 or contact your personal wealth advisor at TvH, financial at 647-727-4668. We're close to the end of this presentation, so we want to remind you to join your plan starting now. Complete the payroll deduction form and return to Human Resources. Set up your Manulife ID to access your online account. Revisit and stay informed. For access to additional services such as mortgages, tax filing, wills and estate planning, retirement planning, and behavioral cash flow planning, contact your TvH Wealth Advisor at 647-727-4668 or visit tvhgroup.ca. We are excited to help you achieve financial well-being and success.